Launching a program for the SNAP exam, you can go for the books only, or you can go for the mocks, or you can go for the books and mocks with shortcuts, everything, the complete program for the SNAP exam. Registration started for the SNAP test as well. So this is another form which is out now. So the registration is commencing on August 31st, that is from today. The form have started coming. Registration closes on 27th of November. So we have time for that. Last day to pay 27th of November. Admit card will be live on December 4th, and exam is on 3 dates. So they are not changing the style of exam, same as last year. December 19th, 4 to 5, 1 hour, and then 8th January, 19th December, 8th January, and 16 Jan. So giving 3 dates to choose from. Okay, 19 December, 8 Jan, and 16 Feb. So if you're going to give the exam only once, I prefer in December. Why? Because immediately after CAT exam, you have enough energy to give the exam. ठीक है, because January आके वो once the CAT result is out, your motivation become half. If you don't get any call from IIMs, if you get calls from IIM, your motivation become 1/4. तो दिसंबर में देके ख़त्म करो. If you are going to give the exam 2 times, then it makes sense to give in December and Jan. Once in December, once in Jan. ठीक है. Result will be announced on February 1. So SNAP is one of the quickest exam to happen. Immediately exam खत्म हो, result दे दिया, and they are done. Fortunately, there is no change in the test paper pattern. So 15 questions of verbal, 60 questions, 60 minutes. Yep, 15 questions of verbal, 25 questions of logic, 20 questions maths and DI. So total 60 questions in 60 minutes. So runnable kind of a thing. So exam date December 16th, January 8th, January 16th. 3 days are available. You can give the exam 2 times. Okay. So यहाँ पे लिखा आपने, the exam can be taken 2 times. Okay, so good side, there are 3 good colleges: SIBM Pune, SMHRD, SIBM Bangalore, and SIB Pune. 4 colleges which are good colleges. SIBM, SCSR. But total, if I look at, there are almost 15 colleges which are accepting NMETS का score, Symbiosis का score. 15 colleges. Now the problem is you have to separately buy the pay and buy the form for every college. So every college on the list, I have to separately buy the form. ठीक है. सो अगर आपने ऑल 15, लाइक कैट में क्या था कि मैंने फ्री में सबको टिक मार दिया. मैंने कहा था जी स्ट्रैटेजी टिक मार्क एवरीथिंग. हेयर इफ यू टिक मार्क ऑल 15 कॉलेजेस, यू हैव टू पे 15,000 एक्स्ट्रा ऑन एंड अबव योर स्नैप का फॉर्म. ओके. नाउ if you ask me, of course the top college is SIBM Pune, so I should fill only SIBM Pune ka form. But will you be able to clear the cutoff of the top college? Of course we can, but will you? तो जब अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं है तो why to waste the money today? Why to fill the form immediately? Look at here, the last day to register is 1 day before the CAT exam. इन्होंने ना एकदम डेट CAT से एक दिन पहले रखा है, क्योंकि उसको पता है अगर तुम्हारा CAT अच्छा गया तो तुम फिर स्नैप देने नहीं आओगे, या कैट बहुत बेकार गया, मे बी यू लूज योर होप ओनली फॉर MBA, तो तब भी तुम नहीं आओगे. तो कैट से पहले फॉर्म भरवा लो. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल फिल द फॉर्म अराउंड लास्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर. ठीक है, अभी नहीं करेंगे. नवंबर 15 या नवंबर 1 के आजू बाजू, बेस्ड ऑन अवर कैट परफॉर्मेंस विल डिसाइड विच ऑल फॉर्म टू फिल. इसमें रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, अभी पैसा वेस्ट मत करो. ओके. Otherwise, this is a very good exam to take. I consider this is a very good backup exam. Those who are going for the CAT exam, I need to extra study logic, because logic is totally different from the CAT exam. And I need to study DI, because calculation based DI is more coming in the non-CAT exams than in the CAT exam, because CAT में कैल्सी भी allowed है, इधर कैल्सी भी allowed नहीं है. Then third is vocab and grammar. If you can cover up these 3 topic extra, almost 50% syllabus is different. Quant and RC is almost same. Para jumble वो तो same आने वाला. Apart from that, everything is I have to study extra on and above that. So if you are focused on CAT, forget about the SNAP exam for the time being. We'll fill the form in November. Okay, based on my performance in the CAT mocks. But if you're not that much focused on the CAT exam, I want to give SNAP I want to give CET exam, other exams. SNAP can act as a very good program. See, those who are giving CET exam now, one of the reasons for them is they want to stay in Maharashtra only. So सिम्बी का बेस्ट पार्ट इज ऑल द कॉलेजेस, मोस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस आर बेस्ड इन पुणे। तो आपको ये सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज मिलेगा कि यू आर लोकल ओनली। ठीक है, सो हाउ यू फील अबाउट द कॉलेज, प्लीज डू कमेंट एंड आई विल आंसर अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन योर कमेंट्स। ऑल द बेस्ट।